Ladies and gentlemen, what's going on? Once again, I'm Nev from NevStackBets, otherwise known as your friendly neighborhood basement dweller. Don't worry, ma'am, I am from the internet. Today we're taking a look at Popular Mechanics 1977. Definitely a very different time. Popular Mechanics loves to get these covers in the 70s of a very nice car. A man on the left, a woman on the right, and the puppy dog at her legs. What else could make you happy? That's the perfect life right there, I imagine. Living happily into old age. That's where it's at. There's Biff again. I didn't think anyone would ever want to look like him. Who would go for that's a classic thing? I don't know. Picture tools aren't toys, so don't let anyone play with them. And that way, in the future, no one will know how to use them. Mwah, mwah, mwah. There's a lot to be said about a situation like this. I bet this individual set this radio up all by himself, which is remarkable. Good job, Grandpa. Wait, that's a Dodge Charger? It doesn't look like one. Maybe it's just from the front. Maybe if I saw it from the top, it'd be a little bit different. Take the bus. Oh, wow. That is a big one, isn't it? Portable artificial lung. I love it. And here we see a bicycle built for 35. Wonder if all of those 35 would be pedaling. Geez, that'd get you from point A to point B. A scuba toe. Every year there's one scuba toe in the Popular Mechanics, and one of these days I would really like to get one, and just to fly around the ocean with that thing. That would be lovely, I think. Wait, that's a Thunderbird? I thought that was a Monte Cristo. Geez, Thunderbirds really changed in the 90s then, didn't they? White women get away with so much with the cops. Oh, I love it. Oh, I love the old advertisements. They're so charming. Geez, that's a remarkable advertisement. Huh. Benzomatic acetylene torch collection for her pleasure. Oh man, I love this advertising from Sears. The winner too. Super style for track and trucking. Hey, check it out, guys. This is actually an advertisement for wood paneling. I love wood paneling. I can't understand why some people come in and they see wood paneling and are just like, oh, I have to remove this immediately. It is remarkable how much technology went forward between the 60s, 70s, and the 80s. Just those 3 decades pulled us so far. It seems like it's impossibly far jump between the 60s and the 70s. Start saving here. So this is a 70s retro futuristic breakdown of what is on the inside of an engine. Man, something like this really helps a father show their son, or someone who's been around show a newbie exactly what things look like, how they attach on the inside. And this is invaluable for some people because some people are just visuals. And breaking up the rear, it really shines deep because it cleans deep. So one time somebody was washing his Thunderbird about a block from me, and I thought it was so cool the way that the water did puddles on the front of it, and I kind of wiped it back and forth a few times. And then when he was done washing the car, that paint just came right off. The place where I was wiping back and forth, I never understood why. What happened there? Okay, we got a hot Cosby coming in. Snap. So what is he advertising here? The fact that there are terminations in Fords at a certain point and you can snap everything together. You can't put them together wrong. Snap. That's right, folks. We got a new terminal pudding pop. Let's get Cosby in here. Keep your wives away. Here we have an individual clearly trying to drown someone in their own car. So 8mm and 16mm were a big deal back in the day, but it's just something that nobody even cares about anymore. Nobody hears about. We've moved on to easier things. All right, we have to go over the advertisements in the back. Build your own kits for a mobile home. You got switchblade combs. All of the good stuff, I'd say. Don't tell me taste isn't everything, darling. Are they trying to push my buttons? I think I've owned 3 of these, but never owned one. I need to camp more. Oh, kiss your mechanic goodbye. Oh, I love that. Look. Things were just different in the 70s. I'm not sure if they were innocent, but they were definitely different. This one feels really 80s. Anyways, that's it for me, folks. Nev from NevStackBets. Like and subscribe if you like this stuff. I always appreciate it. And feel free to leave a comment. Have a good one, folks. Take care of each other, will you?